So most people running always-on agents are wasting 80% of their AI spend on frontier models when they don't need to be. We're talking hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars a month. And most of that is going to routine tasks that never needed that level of intelligence in the first place. That's why I want to put MiniMax 2.5 on your radar. It just launched on AkashML, and for the kind of work that agents do for most people, it delivers at a price point that actually makes sense. If you're new to AkashML, there's a free trial there so you can test all of this on your own workloads before needing to spend a dime. Now let me walk you through why this matters. MiniMax 2.5 is a coding and productivity model built for the kind of work that agents do all day. We're talking tool calling, structured outputs, code generation. This is the stuff that makes up 70 to 80% of your pipeline, but don't need frontier level intelligence. MiniMax is not just cost effective, it's legitimately competitive. On some of the most respected benchmarks out there, MiniMax scores within a percentage point of Claude's Opus 4.6. So this isn't a budget model pretending to be capable. For its target tasks, it performs at the frontier. It just doesn't charge like it. So let me paint you a picture of what's actually happening with agents like OpenClaw right now. By default, OpenClaw sends everything to your primary model. Heartbeat checks, counter lookups, you name it. If you're hooked up to a frontier model, it's like hiring a Formula One driver for your Uber ride. Now, it works, but it makes zero financial sense. It only gets worse. Thinking tokens from reasoning models can be 3 to 5 times the visible output, and you'll be paying for all of it. On default settings, power users are spending anywhere from $500 to $2,000 a month or more. And most of that is wasted on tasks that a more efficient model handles just as well. Now, this is where MiniMax 2.5 changes the equation. It costs roughly 1/20th of a frontier model on token costs. On AkashML, for example, we're looking at 30 cents per million input tokens and $1.18 per million output tokens. Now you compare that to $5 per million input tokens and $25 per million output tokens for Opus level intelligence, it seems almost irresponsible to be using Opus for everything. The smart move here is model tiering. Opus for deep reasoning, Minimax for the bulk of your pipeline, and a lightweight model such as Quen for the simple calls. Same output quality at a fraction of the cost. At the end of the day, the question you should be asking isn't why you should or should not replace your frontier model. You shouldn't. It's why are you paying frontier prices for every single call in your pipeline?